Okay, we got this written assessment. This is one that everyone turns in individually. You're not graded as a group, you're graded individually. It's okay to work together. In fact, I encourage you to work together, get help from each other on this, but you're turning in your own and graded on your own assignment. And in fact, you're all going to get different numbers here. This is really an anti-cheating measure. I would like you to use this link here, set the max here to 100, and generate 3 different numbers. And then you're going to write those numbers here. You're going to write out a quadratic in this form. And I want you, you're going to generate 3 different positive numbers, but I want you to put a minus there. So you're going to get something that looks like this. You'll have whatever your second number is, put a minus in front of it, and get some function that looks like this. Set the max to 100. We're going to find the derivative using the definition of the derivative. Some of you may have learned a little bit of calculus in high school. You may know power rule. We're not doing that yet. We are using the limit of definition. Limit as h goes to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Using the definition, you have to show all your work. I'm grading your ability to write up a complete textbook level solution here. If you don't write limit as h goes to 0 at every step until the step when you finally take the limit and plug in h equals 0, that's going to be points off. If you don't have over h all the way down until you cancel the h's, it's going to be points off. I'm grading your work here, not just your answer. Okay, once you get your derivative, we're going to find the equation of a tangent line. This is so much easier. Listen to my words here. If you leave your answer in slope-intercept form, if you leave your answer in point-slope form, y minus y naught equals m, x minus x naught. Don't go through the trouble of getting to slope-intercept form, point-slope form. Point slope form looks like that. Only I like to use y naught and x naught. It means the same thing. So your x and y, your x naught and your y naught, those are from the original function. Your x naught, I told you, was 5. Your y, you plug 5 into the original function and you get that. M is the slope evaluated at x naught. So here you're going to find m, then you're going to write out the equation of the tangent line. Everybody's going to get different m's and different y naughts. Then this part is so easy. If you listen to my words here and you leave your answer in point slope form, perpendicular lines have slopes that are opposite reciprocals. All you have to do is take your slope, flip it over, and change the sign. And you're done. Don't change the x and the y and any of that. Just change the slope. If you go through the trouble of getting to slope intercept form up here, it's a lot more work down here, so don't do that.